Hello everyone, in today's video we will learn all about internet and learn how to make presentation on internet. Table of content include all the topic we will discuss in this presentation. The internet is an important part of everyday life of people around the world. The word internet comes from combination between intercommunication and network. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol suite to communicate between networks and devices. History of Internet. J.C.R. Licklider of MIT was the first person to float the idea of networked computers used to share data. In the 1960s, the Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, of the United States Department of Defense, DoD, funded research into time-sharing of computers. Types of Internet connection. Digital subscriber line. Cable. Satellite connection. Broadband connection. Wireless connection. Cellular. Uses of Internet. It is used as platform to upload, download, and share data. Internet also provide a good source of entertainment. With the Internet we can connect to people all over the world. Online banking, shopping, and education was also possible due to Internet. Advantages of Internet. 1. Online banking and transaction. 2. Education, online jobs, freelancing. 3. Entertainment. 4. Best communication. 5. Comfort to humans. 6. G.P.S tracking and Google Maps. Disadvantages of Internet. 1. Time wastage. 2. Bad impacts on health. 3. Cybercrimes. 4. Effects on children. 5. Bullying and spreading negativity. Finally, the conclusion we reach is that Internet is huge and diverse. Nothing is typical. And advantages and disadvantages of Internet is purely depending upon the way in which it is applied. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and also watch the other videos on this channel.